Freelancers using AI aren't replacing their skills, they're amplifying them. In the next 3 minutes, you'll see how to work faster, charge smarter, and stay competitive in 2026. Businesses are adopting AI to cut costs and speed up delivery. As AI becomes normal, clients expect similar productivity from freelancers. The result? Higher standards and bigger opportunities for those who adapt. AI can save hours each week on drafting, research, and admin. Reinvest that time into higher value work, strategy, creativity, and client growth. Some text-heavy gigs have softened. The survival rule is simple. Compete where machines can't: judgment, domain knowledge, and brand voice. Audit your workflow. Automate proofreading, outlines, SEO checks, calendars, and proposals. Start with 2 to 4 tools that integrate with your stack. Test on low-risk work. Keep a human in the loop. Nix a writing assistant, a design or image tool, automation for repetitive steps, and analytics that turn data into insights. Quality first, speed second. Package human plus AI, drafts and ideation by AI, polish by you. Offer faster turnarounds, tiered pricing, or base plus usage fees. Show mini case studies to prove ROI. AI can be generic or wrong. Review facts, fix tone, add originality. Clarify in contracts, AI use, rights to edits, and content ownership. AI agents will co-pilot more tasks, but human oversight wins. Specialists who pair niche expertise with AI will command premium rates. Grab our Freelancer AI Toolkit and starter prompts at the link.